What's up guys, Infinite Skills here, back at you with another tutorial, and today I will be showing you how to record a voiceover in iMovie in 2021. Make sure to comment below what tutorial you want to see next, or if you have any other video suggestions, make sure to comment that below. So without further ado, let's get into this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is launch iMovie on your phone and create the project that you want to put your voice on. So make a movie, add a video on it. I've just got this video here, and you are going to want to press the plus icon on the left side of your screen, and up will come a list of things. You're going to want to press voiceover towards the bottom of the screen, and then up will come a screen like this, and you're going to want to hit the red record button. It will count you down and you say what you want to, and when you want to finish you just hit stop. Then you're going to want to hit the blue accept button, and your voice recording will save as that blue line underneath your video. And with that line you can crop it, edit it, cut parts out, make it louder or quieter. You have lots of variety for what you can do with your voice while editing. And then when you're finished you can just hit done and save that and upload it to YouTube. Do what you want with it, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If this helped, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Also make sure you comment below what tutorial you want to see next, or if there's a different sort of video that you want to see from me. But I'll see you next time guys. Goodbye.